Hey, I got a quick question for you. Do you ever wonder if there's a job you can do online that will actually be well paid and worth your while? If you feel the same way I do, you know that getting $10 extra is not enough and you want more. You not only want something that can genuinely support you, but you also want to support your loved ones. And what can fix those problems? It's freelance work. Freelancing is a tried and true way to earn extra money. And honestly, in my opinion, it deserves a top spot on any list of easy side hustle ideas. Freelancer delivers work on a per project basis for one or more clients. And the best thing about it is you can schedule it in your spare time. So in today's video, I'll be sharing 5 of the best freelance jobs you can do all in the comfort of your own home. So grab a pen and paper and some snacks and enjoy the video. And we're starting off the list with freelance job number 1, which is a customer service representative. And I'm pretty sure most of you are familiar with or likely worked in the customer service field. I myself have actually had a few customer service based jobs, whether in restaurant, retail, and most currently now as a service representative at Centos. So take the time to think about it because you have the experience. This job is basically a walk in the park. So if you enjoy interacting with people and solving basic guest concerns or issues, then this can be a perfect freelancer job for you. And with this job, you can look to earn anywhere from $15 to $30 an hour on freelance sites like Upwork and Fiverr. You will have job duties like providing customer service via email, chat, and ticketing systems. So if this interests you and you want to get more details like customer service best practices, then there are tons upon tons of YouTube videos that you can watch for free and blogs as well. So moving on, we're going to freelance job number 2, which is an ads manager. So when you think of what an ads manager does, the key responsibilities include creating ad strategies, designing and writing ads, managing campaigns across the platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, YouTube Ads, Instagram Ads, and Pinterest Ads, optimizing for the best performance. But granted, I would not try to get good at all the platforms. You really need to just focus and dive down in on just one because they are all different. And with just choosing one, the learning curve would be much shorter. Now, the difficulty with doing this ranges from the ballpark of doing website design, but it is not as tough as website design. Now, the learning curve with freelance ads is 2 years total if you're looking to be an expert, but don't let it deter you from wanting to do this because people have stated that they have made between $1,500 to $5,000 per customer. So up next on the list is a freelance copywriter, and quite honestly, this is one of my favorites. A freelance copywriter is someone who gets paid by clients to write content or copy that helps them to promote or sell their offers. So for example, you may write website copy, sales funnel copy, ad copy, or simply write emails. In short, copywriting is one of the most effective and powerful and overall profitable ways to grow a business. I love it because it is just writing or using words in an articulate way, but in a persuasive combination. Now don't get it confused with copyrighted because they are two totally different things. See the difference? Copywriting, copyrighted. Copywriting is the activity or occupation of writing the text of advertisements or publicity material, but copyrighted on the flip side is the legal right of the owner's intellectual property. Now, places where you can find jobs as a copywriter is LinkedIn and ClearVoice. With ClearVoice, you may need to sign up and they will start sending you opportunities. Also, check out a website called Where to Pitch. They're usually rounding up all the places that have hired copywriters and writers in general. And typically as a copywriter, you can look to make a few $100s a month to well over 6 figures a year. That's pretty big. Freelance job number 4 is content writing. And if you love to write, then there are amazing opportunities for you to make a lot of freelance money on both Upwork and Fiverr. As well, on average, you can earn in between $30 to $60 an hour. And after you gain some 5-star reviews and start building some reputation, you can look to make over $100 an hour. Most of these companies, businesses, and influencers have blogs, but simply don't have the time to write it. And what you can do is take this extra baggage out of that pile for them by writing content for their blog, website, or other publications. There are numerous blogs and websites online that need content writers. I know if I was in the field needing some extra cash, this is exactly what I would do to get started. Simply go to Upwork or Fiverr and post your work. Hey, you finally made it to the end. And on to the last one. At number 5, a YouTube thumbnail editor. When you think of YouTube thumbnails, you want to think of it as a billboard. You want this billboard to be an eye catcher, making it easier for consumers to figure out what to watch. A well-designed thumbnail can attract more viewers, increase viewer retention, and increase CTR. In fact, 90% of the best performing videos is always attributed to having a captivating thumbnail, according to YouTube. As a thumbnail designer, you will basically create custom thumbnail art for YouTubers on Canva and Upwork. There are basically 3 tiers. There's starter, standard, and advanced tier, and each of them are priced based on different offerings, with advanced being the highest price. You can get this all started very easily, and you don't need a college degree or years and years of experience. What I would do to start off is just offer free work to showcase in my catalog. Doing this is extremely easy, as all you would need to start this is a Canva account, which is free. But if you want the full features of Canva, which I highly recommend, you will be able to perform the best of the best work, like easily removing backgrounds and having more elements to work with. As a thumbnail designer, you can look anywhere to earn $100 per design, with some people reporting with a larger clientele can earn in the thousands. Well, that about wraps it up on my 5. By this point, you should have a great idea on what freelance jobs interest you. There's really no cap on what you can achieve. It just all depends on the amount of work you put in to change your reality. Let's continue to win, ladies and gents. And be sure to politely smash that like and subscribe button so you can always stay in the know on anything dealing with money. A little bit of encouragement for you comes from the book of Isaiah 40:31. And it reads, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint." Be blessed.